Ladies and gentlemen, Hinkik here. Welcome to the analysis. Hope you guys had a good day trading today. Market is down about 0.8% there. On the S&P Nasdaq did the same. It looks like all the sectors are negative today. Bitcoin down, gold, silver miners are as well. Dollar down, oil down, treasury bond down. The rates are up. VIX popped about 9% there. Let's stick with S&P 500 ETF. Spider! 65-minute chart here. So this is where we closed yesterday. It looks like we actually saw significant down gap this morning here. This is where we closed yesterday, and this is where we opened. Because of that, as you can see, this up gap is now open with the down gap. So now we have the island down gap right here, as you can see, completely nullified this island up gap here by filling that gap with that down move in the first hour, right? And so that gap is fully filled, but we have the down gap still remaining here. That's an island up gap or island down gap. Because of that, as you can see, we did make a move on second and third and fourth and fifth hour. We're just right on it here. Micro-term moving average is coming down. If this island down gap remains open, we're going to face extremely difficult environment going into the next week. Only hope, because the longer this island down gap remains, the more power the bears are going to try. You guys remember that 420 island down gap that was open late last year? It took literally 5 months for the buyers to fill that island down gap at 420. It took 5 months, more than 5 months. And during that time, we were in an extremely hectic environment, in case you forgot what happened late last year and earlier this year. So that island down gap, the longer it remains open, the more power, the bearish power in this case, because it's down gap, it's the potency is going to continue to flow from this down gap to possibly keeping that trend to the downside. So what the buyers need to do as quickly as possible, at least, at minimum, buyers need to get up and fill the island gap portion of it. Remember, this is where it gapped up last week. So really, bulls need to only get up to about 441.50 or so just to fill that island gap portion of it. And there will just be a regular gap here. The best case scenario will be gapping it over. Even if it gaps up above here at 441 or so, that will be better than nothing. But let's say bulls just want to turn this thing completely around and they want to just continue to charge to the upside. That means gapping up to about 443 or so. And sometimes, if we do it tomorrow, that's going to make buyers really happy. But sometimes if we do see a downturn, let's say tomorrow and early next week, maybe there's a midterm moving average right there. You can see midterm moving average did act as support here a couple weeks ago. So maybe we do have some, we have impressive resume just because we did see a whole lot of moves since that midterm moving average was retested. So if we do come back down, hopefully what buyers are looking for is to see that midterm getting supported and prop itself up one more time to either fill it or gap it over. However, if this gap doesn't get filled and it remains, this island down gap remains, I wouldn't be surprised to see this market coming down at least to fill this up gap and this up gap to 430. Let's check out that oscillator. So as you can see, the oscillator has fully rolled over here after showing some pancake action like we've seen here before. The market did make a move here as it did here. Well, now there's pulling back right here. And we're we're just about somewhere here. As you can see, we're sandwiched in between the micro term and the short term moving average. Micro term is the aqua, short term is the green. And so we're just kind of right on there, and this micro term. And so as the oscillator is getting near to that overbought zone, we may see some zigzagging sideways move tomorrow. But if we do lose, because we reclaimed the short term quickly this morning here, as you can see, we gapped down and then we reclaimed that short term. So if we do lose that short term one more time, a very, very good chance we'll go to 435. That's where the midterm is. And midterm, as you can see, did act as very strong support for an entire week. And once that the midterm moving average acted as support, and then the short term and the micro term was reclaimed, even with the pullbacks, as you can see, the short term is acting as support here a couple days, and this market thrusted above it. So, and for that to happen, obviously, you do need to see that oscillator is fully reset. It's not at extreme oversold yet, but we are at a level where we did see oscillator finding support here, which is here. That means we got at least one more down day or something like that, at least some sort of grind, and bulls are desperately seeking for that oscillator to cross back up to see any kind of momentum, because right now the oscillator is supporting the sellers. I'm gonna come back for you. We'll reassess the situation. Enjoy your evening. Let's drink tomorrow.